Hello, Lions. This is Mrs. Lambert, your librarian. I want to talk to you today about the importance of images and pulling images from the internet and using them and citing them correctly. So if you're going to use images from Google, for instance, if you are looking for an image of Thomas Jefferson, okay, you can put that in to Google. You can click images. Okay, and then over here, you're going to notice that there is this little gear, and you're going to click on Advanced Search. If you're looking for an image that you can use without having to do a citation, you have to come down here to Usage Rights, and you have to choose either free to use and share, even commercially. And if you're going to change the image in some way for one of your classes, then you need to click on free to share or modify even commercially. So I'm going to click on free to use and share even commercially, and then I'm going to click search again. So now the images that appear here are images that I can feel comfortable using without citing a source or without worrying about infringing on someone else's copyright. Okay? Now the other thing you can do over here is you can come over here, and if you're looking for a particular size of image, like your teacher says you need a really large image, you can click over here and choose large. If they give you a size range, like it needs to be greater than 800 pixels, then you can come over here and choose the size. If you're looking for an exact size, you can click this and even enter that in. Okay, so that right here is going to be really helpful for CTE students to know that you can choose sizes that way. You can also do color, like if you're looking for a full color, if you're looking for a black and white, or if you need a transparent image, if you need an image that has the transparent background because you're going to overlay it on something. So that is there. You can also do type here if you're looking for a face, you're looking for clip art, or you're looking for a line drawing, you can do that here. Another helpful thing is if you're looking for an image that's really current, okay, then you can do, in the past week, you can do a custom range. If you want to pick, a year or whatever, you can do that there. And you'll notice that now this says labeled for reuse, okay? So you can even come here and further narrow it down, labeled for non-commercial reuse with modification. If you want to do that, labeled for reuse with modification, you can choose that here, okay? So that is how you do an advanced image search in Google, okay? One more thing I'm going to show you is when you go to Mac and VIA, okay, and you go into Mac and VIA, you put in Reedy High School as the school, and you type in your 6-digit student ID and your 8-digit birthday, you can come to databases. Now, we have some databases that are great image sources, okay? I don't know how much longer we're going to have this one, but this one's a great one. And so any of these you put in here, so let's just do Thomas Jefferson again. Okay, so I can use any of these images in here. All I have to do is make sure that I put the citation, okay? So like if I want to use this one in my project, you would want to check with your teacher as far as where to put the project, where to put the citation. If the citation should be, on the image or near the image or at the end of the project or wherever, you would want to check with them. You guys are probably going to use, most of the time, you can just use MLA or you can use APA. Just make sure that you're consistent, whichever citation source you use. And so you can just copy this image and paste it wherever you need to for your assignment. And you can download the image, you can drag and drop it into a Google, anything. So this is a great source for images. And so this is Britannica Image Quest. Another place that you can get images, particularly like current event and or historical images. So for instance, let's say I would like an image of Hillary Clinton. Okay, I can type in Hillary Clinton and click search. And then there should be an image gallery for her in this database. So again, this is Student Resources and Context. So I can come over here and I can click on the images of Hillary Clinton. And let's say I want to use this image right here. I can click on it. I can download this image. I can drag and drop it into a Google Doc, whatever I need to do with it. Again, I click on citation tools, and then the MLA and the APA citation are both here. Again, just check with your teacher, or if your teacher doesn't care, just make sure if you're using MLA citations, you use all MLA citations, that sort of thing. So this citation should go somewhere. If you're going to be posting any of these images online, the citation should be somewhere near the image so people see that you're citing the source of the image, okay? For projects and things like that for your teacher, that are not going to be online, you can ask the teacher where they want the citations. Also, ABC Clio, all of our ABC Clio databases, American Government, American History, World Geography, World History, Ancient and Modern Era, all of these have images as well for those types of things. So you can certainly use those to pull images as well, and they provide citations. Britannica School also provides a lot of images. So, for instance, let's try that again. So if you go here, and let's say that you are looking up ringworm, okay, and you need an image of ringworm, you can click on this, and you can click citation, and copy and paste the citation, put it somewhere near the image if it's going online, put the citation wherever your teacher wants if it's some kind of product that you're only turning into the teacher. But this database also has images that you can use. So there is a quick and easy tutorial on how to do a Google image search, and then also how to pull and use images from our databases. As always, if you need any help or have any questions, you can email me, lambertn@friscoisd.org, and I will be happy to assist you. Good luck, Lions!